Struggling with an itchy, dry scalp that just won't quit? Imagine a quick, no-rinse solution that not only soothes your scalp instantly but also protects it all day long. Head Shoulders Royal Oil's Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir is designed to do exactly that, providing refreshing relief and restoring scalp health with every use. I've seen firsthand how this elixir transforms scalp care routines. Infused with cooling menthol and peppermint oil, it delivers a fresh, invigorating sensation right on contact. Unlike many products that leave your scalp feeling dry or irritated, this formula is alcohol-free and free from sulfates, parabens, and dyes, making it gentle enough for natural, relaxed, kinky, and coily hair. What's more, it fits seamlessly into protective styles like twists and locks, offering 24-hour scalp protection when used as directed. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Just apply the elixir directly to your scalp up to 4 times a day, no rinsing required. This means you can refresh and soothe your scalp anytime, anywhere. Regular use helps balance scalp health, reducing itchiness and dryness linked to dandruff. It's no wonder it's proudly recommended by My Black is Beautiful and has earned rave reviews from users who noticed a complete dandruff-free scalp after just one use. If you're tired of battling scalp discomfort and want a reliable, gentle solution that fits your lifestyle, this elixir is worth a look. It's designed to work with your hair's natural texture and protective styles, delivering comfort without compromise. Try it when you're ready to experience what real scalp relief feels like: fresh, balanced, and protected all day long.